Hi, this is Jeremy Bradshaw from MarineMax Venice. This is one of our brand new trades here. This is a really clean 2014 Avalon 2785EL. This particular boat is a Tritoon. This is one of their top of the line models. As you can see, you get your big arch up top. She does come with a trailer as well, dual axle trailer. This one's got the big Yamaha 250 horsepower in the back. This one does have the GPS, VHF radio, bottom machine, underwater lights, very well equipped. Also has built-in battery charger, as well as shore power. But as you can see, the boat's very nice, very little use, approximately 150 hours on the motors on the 250 right here, the Honda. So let's go jump inside real quick. We'll take a look. You're gonna notice on the boat, it has a lot of options and very comfortable seating. So the floor here is very easy to take care of. It's similar to sea deck. You also have your seating here on the port and starboard side. We've got our isotherm refrigerator, full bar right here, very comfortable. Captain's chairs raised here for good visibility. And we've got our Garmin GPS, VHF radio, Jensen stereo. In the back here, the loungers are very cool. They face aft, so very comfortable. And there's our 250 right there, storage inside here. Underneath this particular lounger, we've got our dual battery switch, battery charger. And on this side, we've got our changing room. So it's a very well equipped boat, very nice condition. If you'd like any additional information, feel free to give Tom Healy a call at MarineMax in Venice. The number is 941-485-3388. And we hope to talk to you soon. Thanks again. Bye-bye.